Hi, I'm Matt with Cover Glass. Thanks for joining us today for a presentation on our frameless sliding glass door system. In order to operate the system, the very first panel that you must open will be on either your extreme left-hand side or your extreme right-hand side. You do not open in the center, you start the system on one of the ends. This panel here opens up, stacks at a 90 degree, again towards the inside of the space. It then allows you to then take the next panel, slide it down to the end. This one will then open and stack. Every panel will magnetize to each other, so they stay in a strong position. You're then free to then slide the next panel down. This one would then open and stack, so on and so forth, with your final panel coming down to the end, sliding freely on the tracks. Everything stacks up and takes a very tight tolerance on the side, only 1 inch per panel. Each panel slides individually. You choose on any given day how many panels you'd like to open and stack, whether that's just one panel, whether you want to create air gaps in between the panels, or leave half the panels closed, half the panels open. Completely up to you, whatever you're doing on your day-to-day activities. In between the glass panels is our translucent UV protected weather seal, so there's no opportunity for any wind, air, moisture to come between the system. It seals completely, so you and everybody who's using the system can feel completely secured. In terms of the glass that we use, 2 pieces of tempered glass that come together with a lamination. So the total thickness is 1/2 inch thick. It's incredibly strong glass. You're not going to break the glass. You can take a bat to the glass. It's rated as safety glass. It's incredibly strong. The entire system seals completely. You choose however many you want to open and close. The bottom track we always look to make flush in your floor, so there's nothing to step or to trip over in any way. We do the full installation of our system, all done by our own crews in-house. There's no subcontracting. You'll work directly with us from beginning to end. We are the manufacturer, we're the installer. There's nobody else that sells our system. There's nobody else who installs our system. You'll work directly with us from beginning to end. Thank you very much, and hopefully you enjoy using our frameless system.